Video is me speaking about the causes of gout. So now there are many different types of causes of the gout. So there can be, and really essentially the main thing with gout is that it basically is going to be increased amount of cell turnover. And like in the last video we spoke about gout, like decreased amount of uric acid excretion, and I gave a like a kind of like a mnemonic over there, but over here it's gonna be talking about gout, and over here it's gonna be talking about increased amount of cell turnover. So over here the essential thing is that that we can memorize this from a mnemonic called the camp. So the T over here is going to be the tumor lysis syndrome. And before I get into the details, I would just like to say that all this info is taken from Ambos, but the mnemonic I've made myself. So tumor lysis syndrome, it's basically it's a situation in which it can be like myeloproliferative diseases or any sort of key like a tumor lysis syndrome basically means the breakdown of the cells. Sorry, and yeah, about tumor lysis syndrome, I'm not sure whether it's associated with myeloproliferative syndrome. I'll have to double check that. But yeah, so basically it's associated with four main characteristics. So hyperkalemia, because cells are bags of potassium. Hypokalemia, I'm going to speak about it in a bit. And hyperphosphatemia. I believe the hyperphosphatemia is coming from the cells. And that kind of binds with the calcium, and that leads to the hypokalemia over here. Hypocalcemia, sorry, not kalemia, calcimia. And obviously hyperuricemia. It can also be over here. You guys might be wondering why hyperuricemia. That's going to be because of the fact that the nucleus is going to be kind of breaking down. So the fact that the nucleus is kind of breaking down is going to be that those purines are going to be degraded, so it's going to make that uric acid, and that can lead to gout. The next thing is going to be chemotherapy. So chemotherapy, again, as we know, usually chemos are there to stop cell growth, or like kind of more like kill the cells, especially the tumor cells. So that's chemotherapy. Next thing is going to be anemia. So anemia itself does not, hemolytic anemia especially, it does not cause gout, but rather it is going to be the fact that that in hemolytic anemia, the reticulocytes. So the reticulocytes are so these are like precursor cells. These are going to be breaking down, and this is what is going to be causing the gout. So this is going to be here. And the next thing is going to be myeloproliferative diseases, so that can also be cause of gout. And then we also going to be getting psoriasis. So I'm not sure the exact mechanism why the psoriasis gets the gout, but it can also be a cause of the gout. So guys, yeah, here's a quick overview of the increased cell turnover of that causes the gout. So T as in tumor lysis syndrome. Remember, tumor lysis consists of four main things: hyperkalemia, hypercalcemia, hyperphosphatemia, hyperuricemia. The C as in chemotherapy, the A as in anemia, M as in myeloproliferative disorders, and P as in psoriasis. And obviously anemia is not going to be hemolytic anemia. It's not going to be the red blood cell itself. It's going to be the reticulocytes. So guys, these are the main causes of gout: increased cell turnover. Please do refer to my previous video which talks about the decreased amount of uric acid secretion. So that's going to be like the plant ones, so pyrazinamide, loop diuretics, aspirin, acid, and thiazide. And I would like to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please do subscribe for similar videos. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. And thank you for watching, and hope to see you guys next time.